Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you guys out there who love keeping your heads clean and smooth.
We're talking about the Flex Series Electric Head Hair Shaver by Freebird, and let me tell you,
it's making waves as one of the best razors for shaving your head. Stick around because in this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this shaver stand out.
Alright, let's kick things off by introducing you to the Flex Series Electric Head Hair Shaver by Freebird.
This shaver has been creating quite a buzz in the grooming world, and for good reason. It's designed specifically for head shaving, and it's here to make sure you get that baby smooth finish without the hassles.
Now, what sets the Flex Series apart from the rest?
Well, it's packed with features that make it the best choice for head shaving. First and foremost, it's designed to be scalp safe, which means you can say goodbye to nicks, cuts, and irritation. The Flex Series features large rotary blades that cut hair quickly and safely, hugging your skin for a comfortable shave. But the Flex Series doesn't stop at head shaving. It's a versatile grooming tool that comes with 5 essential attachments. You get a precision clipper trimmer with different safety guards for your beard and more. There's a nose and ear hair trimmer to keep those areas tidy. Plus, a micro and plush skin exfoliation brush and a deep cleansing massage pad to pamper your skin. One of the best things about the Flex Series is its ease of use. It's ergonomic, comfortable to hold, and can be used in the shower since it's waterproof.
It's cordless, portable, and has a long-lasting battery life.
You can even charge it quickly with a USB cable, making it perfect for travel. Of course, no product is perfect.
Some users have noted that while the Flex Series keeps your head looking freshly shaved,
it doesn't provide the same level of smoothness as a traditional razor. However, it does make using a razor after using the Flex Series faster and less likely to cause razor burn. So, there you have it, folks. The Flex Series Electric Head Hair Shaver by Freebird. It's making head shaving a breeze with its scalp-safe technology, versatility, and user-friendly design. If you're looking for a convenient way to maintain that clean, smooth head, this might just be the best razor for you. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. If you've used the Flex Series or have any questions about it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay groomed and stay tuned to Product Critique.